Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to discuss with you my scientific presentation on the topic cell biology. Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have three things in common, no matter what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane which separates the inside of the cell from its environment. Cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are two broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cells. They have organelles which include nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles. They do have a genetic material, but it's not enclosed within the nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one cell or unicellular organisms, such as bacteria. What are organelles? Organelles are the specialized parts of a cell that have unique jobs to perform. Let's start with the nucleus, the control center of the cell. The nucleus contains DNA or genetic material. DNA dictates what the cell is going to do and how it's going to do it. When the cell is ready to divide, the DNA condenses into structure known as chromosomes. The nucleus also contains a nucleolus, which is the structure where ribosomes are made. After the ribosomes leave the nucleus, they will have the important job of synthesizing or making proteins. Outside the nucleus, the ribosomes and the rest of the organelles float around in cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like substance. The ribosomes may float around in the cytoplasm or attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, sometimes abbreviated as ER. There are two types of ER. The rough ER has ribosomes attached to it, and the smooth ER doesn't have ribosomes attached to it. The endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane-enclosed passageway for transporting materials, such as proteins, synthesized by the ribosomes. Proteins and other materials emerge from the endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles, where the Golgi apparatus, sometimes called as the Golgi body, receives them. As the proteins move through the Golgi body, they are customized into shapes that the cell can use. The Golgi body does this by folding them into forms that the cell can use or adding other materials onto them, such as lipids or carbohydrates. Assalamu alaikum.